It's workshop day, and we're working on our Cairdeas quilt today. We're working on some embroidery. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're taking it on the bus. It may be worked on, it may not be worked on, but this is my view today. Are you having fun, ladies? Yes. Anybody stabbed themselves yet? Yes. So we're in Galway, and this is our view outside the window. So we've got the Port of Galway beyond. We don't even mind the petrol, whatever, barrels being out there. But it's a gorgeous day, and we're having our workshop. Look what you're doing. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Keep going. Keep going. How you doing, Mary?
I'm doing good. I only stabbed myself once.
Only stabbed herself once. And then there's Terry, who says, I think I will try this, but I'm not sure. I brought a book just in case I don't want to. It's looking good. Looking good. So this is our finished quilt. And they're working on the embroidery today and through our trip. And when they get home, they'll add the patchwork border to the outside. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good day to be in Galway. Even if you're the frowny husband who is just not quite sure. Yes, awesome.
Now I have a broken thread.
Now you have a broken thread. Yeah, that happens. There's always one in every group. Yeah. So happy to be here with everybody today. However you're spending your day, I hope you take some time with some needle and thread today. And if you can stitch with friends, that's even better. Even if it's in another country. Have a great day, everybody.